Hey guys, today's video is about how to block or blacklist a certain comments on YouTube. If you have a certain words that you don't want to say in your YouTube comments or comments which are offensive or keep annoying you guys, then this video is the right for you. So just keep watching until the end. Hey guys, jemaithespider once again. Please subscribe if you are new to my channel and hit that bell so you don't miss anything. Now guys, we are here at our YouTube channel. Then you can see in the right corner, upper side, in your profile pictures, just click that profile pictures. Then you can see YouTube Studio, and then under YouTube Studio guys, you can see in your left side, menu, settings. Go to your settings, and then under community, just click community, and then you can see block words and block links. Then block words guys, you can block certain words that you don't want to see in your YouTube comments. For example, I will just put sub for sub. Any words that you don't want to see in your YouTube comments, or those words that keep annoying you guys or offensive to you guys, then you can just put it here. Even in your local languages, whatever language you have, then you can just put it here. So for sub, and then subscribe. For example, subscribe my channel. Check it out, or subscribe, or you have to put a comma guys in order to separate the values. Okay, so that's blocking the words, certain words that you don't want to see in your YouTube comments. That's the one. And then the other one is block links guys. If you select this option, new comments with hashtag and URL will be held for review. So it will be going to your spam messages. Live chat messages with URL as well will be blocked. And then, but these settings guys doesn't apply to you or to your moderators or the approved users. Then of course after that guys, then you have to click save. Of course you have to save it guys. Save. That's all guys. Thank you for watching. Please give thumbs up if you like this video and leave your comment down below. Share this video to your family and friends who are YouTubers, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you will get notified on my upcoming videos. Thank you once again, jemaithespider as your service. Bye bye.